Hey guys! So today we're going over sun salutations, otherwise known in Sanskrit as Surya Namaskar. So today I'm going to be going over a classic variation of sun salutations. It's the way I studied and the way I like to practice, and the way I was taught. So that's why I like this version, but there are many versions of sun salutations, and depending on each individual person's condition, there are also many variations. So working one-on-one with a teacher is really good if you're not sure which version suits you best. But yeah, in this one we're just gonna go over the basics and just follow along the best that you can. So it's a series of movements, sometimes also considered a flow or referred to as a flow. So if you see that on a yoga schedule, the word flow, you can assume there will be some variation of sun salutations in that class. And it is a posture it is a series of postures where we are moving, but also in between each movement and in between each breath, we want to feel that stop, that steady, comfortable stop in each posture. So see if you can feel that today when you practice. And of course, the more and more you practice, the more and more you work with your breath and your movement, it will all become more comfortable. So yeah, like always, thank you guys for watching, and rest if you feel any discomfort, and you can always just come back and keep practicing. That's why we do it, right? Keep practicing and keep improving, or even just feeling something different. So yeah, enjoy. Let me know what you think. See you next time. We'll come to standing at the top of your mat in mountain pose. Couple different options here. Balance feels stable today. You can bring your heels and toes together. Balance feels a little shaky doing this. You can separate your feet about hip distance apart. If you're separating your feet, you're gonna try and bring the outside of your foot parallel to the long edges of your mat. So wherever you are, we'll look forward and feel your heels press down. Lengthening up through your spine and just letting your shoulders be relaxed. And we'll bring your hands to heart center. We'll take an exhale, and on your inhale, we'll reach your arms up over your head. So again, a couple of different options here. You can keep looking forward. You can look up past your fingertips. Or if you feel okay in your lower back, maybe even slightly back bending. And then on your exhale, we'll just come down, lowering your hands all the way to the mat. So here, if it's okay, you want to bring your fingertips and toes in a line here. So you might need to bend your knees to kind of bring your palms to the mat here. And you can bend your knees as much as you need. Also, your palms don't have to come down. You can bring your fingertips down. And just folding forward here. So then on our inhale, we're going to step our right foot back. Now here, if it's okay, you can press your palms down. We want to press our palms down because our hands are what's grounding us in sun salutations. Once we bring them to the ground, they don't move again until we stand back up. So we want to make sure they're in a nice grounded spot. And we'll be in a low lunge here. So our right knee, right top of our foot is down. And we can sink our hips down to the mat, reaching your chest forward. From here, we'll curl your right toes under and then step back into a downward facing dog pose. And that's on your exhale. From here, we'll lower our knees to the ground. And then bringing your chest down between your hands and chin down. If this is not comfortable, you can just lower your body flat on your mat. On your inhale, we'll press up into a cobra pose. And then from here, curling your toes back under, pressing up and back in a downward facing dog. You can take a small step forward if you need to. You don't have to straighten your knees. You can bend your knees as much as you need. Taking a breath here. And on your inhale, we'll bring your right foot again forward between your hands. This can be difficult at first.
to go from down dog to step your foot forward. If that's the case, you can drop your knees down first and then help your right foot between your hands. And again, we'll drop your left knee, top of your left foot down. So feel grounding through the top of your left foot, through your hands also, you can feel pressed down. From here, we'll curl your back toes under, stepping your left foot forward. Again, your heels and toes can be together or hip distance apart. As you inhale, again, we'll reach your arms up over your head. If it feels okay, you can back bend. And on your exhale, we'll fold back down. So we did the right side, now we're gonna do the left side. Again, planting your hands, we'll step your left foot back. We'll drop your knee into a low lunge, looking forward. We'll curl your back toes under, lift the knee up, and then step back into a downward facing dog pose. Again, you can lower your knees down. And again, you can just walk your knees back and come onto your stomach, or drop your chest down between your hands. And then on your inhale, we'll slide up into a cobra. Curling your toes under, pressing back into a downward facing dog. Again, taking a small step forward if you need to. As you inhale, we'll step your left foot between your hands. Again, you can always drop your knees down first if you need. Coming back into a low lunge. We'll curl your back toes, step your right foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up. And on your exhale, bringing your hands to heart center. So that's one sun salutation. We did the right side first, then we did the left side. And yeah, so we'll just go through that a couple more times. You can just follow along comfortably. Always rest whenever you need to, or if you feel any pain. So we'll go together, taking an exhale here, pressing your heels down. On your inhale, again, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding down. Bringing your palms to the ground. On your inhale, right foot back. We'll drop your back knee, looking forward. Curl your back toes under. On your exhale, left foot back, downward facing dog. Lowering down comfortably, dropping your knees, maybe your chest and chin down. On your inhale, sliding up into cobra. Curling your toes under. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your inhale, right foot between your hands, dropping your back knee down. On your exhale, bringing your left foot forward, feet together, folding forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up, so straightening your knees, reaching through your fingertips. Exhale, folding back down, doing the left side. Palms down. On your inhale, left foot back. And pressing your hands. As you exhale, right foot back. Downward facing dog pose. Dropping your knees. Chest and chin down. On your inhale, cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog pose. And if you need a small step forward. On your inhale, left foot between your hands, dropping your back knee, top of your back foot. And then curling your toes under. Exhale, right foot forward, folding down. Inhale, reaching your arms up over your head. As you exhale, bringing your hands to heart center. That is 2. We're gonna go again. Inhale, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding down. As you inhale, right foot back, low lunge. As you exhale, left foot back, downward facing dog pose. And just breathing comfortably here as you lower your knees, chest and chin down. On your inhale, coming up into cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog. On your inhale, right foot forward between your hands, low lunge. As you exhale, left foot forward, feet together. If it's okay, forehead towards your shins. On your inhale, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding down. Doing the left side now. So on your inhale, left foot back. Dropping your back knee, pressing your hands down. As you exhale, right foot back into downward facing dog pose. Again, breathing comfortably as you lower your knees, chest and chin down. On your inhale, cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog. On your inhale, left foot forward between your hands, low lunge. As you exhale, right foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up over your head. Exhale, bringing your hands to heart center. That's 3. So at first it can be a little tricky to control your breath as you're moving around a lot. So if at first following that breathing pattern is not easy, just focus on the posture first. And once you get the posture down, you can keep repeating, and later the breath will start to fill in more naturally. I'm going to keep guiding for it. We're going to do 2 more sun salutations just for practice here. But of course, like I said, just breathe comfortably if you need to. Always rest if you need to as well. Again, heels and toes together, hands to heart center. And I'm not going to stop between the 2 this time. I'm just going to do 2 straight through. Taking an exhale. And as you inhale, reach your arms up and looking past your fingertips, a little bit back bending. Exhale, folding down. On your inhale, right foot back. On your exhale, left foot back, downward facing dog. Dropping your knees, chest and chin to the ground. On your inhale, cobra. On your exhale, downward facing dog. On your inhale, right foot forward between your hands. As you exhale, left foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding back down. Hands to the ground. And on your inhale, left foot back. On your exhale, right foot back, downward facing dog. You can loop towards your belly button here. Lowering your knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhaling up into cobra pose. As you exhale, downward facing dog pose. On your inhale, left foot forward, back knee down. As you exhale, right foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding back down. So that was 4. Last one here. Inhale, right foot back. As you exhale, left foot back in the downward facing dog pose. Dropping your knees, chest and chin down. Inhaling up into cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your inhale, right foot forward. As you exhale, left foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up. As you exhale, folding back down, hands to the ground. On your inhale, left foot back. As you exhale, step your right foot back into down dog. And at the end of your exhale, you can try breath holding here as you lower your knees, chest and chin down. And then on your inhale, coming up into cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog pose. On your inhale, left foot forward. As you exhale, right foot forward. On your inhale, reaching your arms up over your head. As you exhale, bringing your hands to heart center. 5. So you did 5 sun salutations. I think sun salutations are a lot of fun. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
So there you have it, sun salutations. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Namaste.